Hey guys, you're looking for a new or used vehicle and you're looking for the best price on that vehicle. And you're probably saying, how do I get the best price on that vehicle that I want? On a new car, you need to look at how long has that new car been in stock. Because remember, all new cars, it is accumulating interest on that car every day. So that's why dealerships want to turn their inventory as fast as they can, which means that they want to sell that car as fast as they get it. If they can sell it beforehand by getting a deposit, getting approval, they will do that. And then when that car comes in, they'll look for that particular customer to pick up that car. But if you see a car on the lot, the key advantage is to know how long that new car has been on the lot. If the car has been on the lot over 70 days, they're gonna be looking to get rid of that particular new car. Negotiate. Remember, any price is negotiable. You gotta say, what's the sales price on that car? And they say it's $32,000, but most of the people in our town have GM discount. Now, GM discount is a set price on that particular vehicle, but it doesn't mean that we can't go under the GM discount. Now, we tell you that we're not going under, but if we want to get rid of that particular car, we will give you a better price because the owner of that particular car is paying interest on that car. So any price is negotiable, which means that if you see a car that you want, get that car. Negotiate, especially if it's been over 70 days, been on the lot. Next, if you're talking about a used car, you want to find out how long that used car has been on the lot. You want to know it's because, remember, most dealers pay interest on the floor plan also. So it's very key to know if you see a used car on the lot, ask that particular salesperson or the salesman, how long has that car been on the lot? Any car that's been there over 60 days, they're gonna wanna get rid of that car. Now, if that car has been there 90 days, you gotta say, you know what, what's wrong with that particular car? Why is that car still sitting on your lot? That particular car, I'm gonna give you an example. So say for instance, 2021 Chevy Equinox. Well, maybe it's been on that lot because maybe there's 30 Chevy Equinoxes 2021 in the area, which means that because there's so many in the area, customers have so many options to choose from, that car might be cheaper farther away, right? So in this video, I just want to talk about the best way for you to get the best deal on a new or used car. And I hope this helped you. All right, I'll see you on the next video.